Welcome to my channel, dear student. Today I am going to cover the Indian Institute of Technology and National Institute of Technology about and what are its importance in our society. Indian Institute of Technology (IITs) are a group of 15 autonomous engineering and technology oriented institutes of higher education established and declared as institutes of national importance by the Parliament of India. There are also 31 NITs. IITs were created to train scientists and engineers with the aim of developing a skilled workforce to support the economic and social development of India after independence in 1947. History of the IIT system dates back to 1946 when Sir Joginder Singh of the Viceroy's Executive Council set up a committee whose task was to consider the creation of higher technical institutions for post-war industrial development in India. The Sarkar Committee recommended establishment of IITs in various parts of India affiliated to secondary institutions with the aim of producing not just undergraduate but researchers and academicians. These institutes be expected to maintain high educational standards. As a step toward this direction, the first IIT was established in 1951 in Kharagpur, near Kolkata in the state of West Bengal. IIT Bombay was founded in 1958 at Powai, Mumbai, with assistance from UNESCO and the Soviet Union, which provided technical expertise. As we all know that the Western countries like Germany, Britain, Switzerland, and Russia are the more developed countries, and here technology is very high. So they provided support to develop the good quality lab. IIT Madras is located in the city of Chennai in Tamil Nadu. It was established in 1959 with technical assistance from the government of West Germany. IIT Kanpur was established in 1959 in the city of Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. During its first 10 years, IIT Kanpur benefited from the Kanpur Indo-American Program, where a consortium of 9 US universities. Under the program, faculty members from these institutions assisted the institute in the setting up of academic programs and development of laboratories. Established as the College of Engineering in 1961, located in Hoj Khas, was renamed as IIT Delhi. IIT Guwahati was established in 1994 near the city of Guwahati, Assam, on the northern bank of the Brahmaputra River. IIT Roorkee, originally known as University of Roorkee, was established in 1847 as the first engineering college of the British Empire located in Uttarakhand. The college was renamed the Thomson College of Civil Engineering in 1854. It became first technical university of India in 1949 and was renamed University of Roorkee, which was included in the IIT system in 2001. So from the Roorkee Engineering College, University of Roorkee, it became IIT in 2001. New IITs steps are being taken to set up 8 more IITs in the following states: Bihar, IIT Patna, Rajasthan, IIT Jodhpur, Andhra Pradesh, IIT Hyderabad, Himachal Pradesh, IIT Mandi, Orissa, IIT Bhubaneswar, Madhya Pradesh, IIT Indore, Gujarat, IIT Gandhinagar, Punjab, IIT Ropar. These are the original structure. Most hierarchy is the President of India Council of IIT, Board of Governors, Director. After Director, there is a Registrar which controls technical and administrative staff. Head of the department, Dean Student Welfare, Dean Faculty Affairs, Dean Research and Development, Dean Academic Affairs, Dean Resource Planning and Generation. Deputy Director, which controls Central Store, E-State Office, Finance and Accountants, Health Center. So these are the hierarchies of the institution. So head of department, there is different department, mechanical department, electrical department, civil department, okay, electronics department, computer science department. So all department there is a professor, assistant professor, associate professor, and professor, and head of the department. Dean for different dean like student welfare, dean faculty affairs, dean research and development, dean academic affairs. Admission. How admission took place in this technical institution? Admission to undergraduate BTech, MSc and dual degree BTMT program are through IIT Joint Entrance Exam JEE. Admission to most of the postgraduate course in IIT is granted through various written entrance examination, GATE for MTech, JAM for MSc and SEET for MDes. Admission. The admission for the PhD program is based primarily on a personal interview. The candidate may also have to appear for written test. Features. IIT receives large grant compared to other engineering colleges in India. The amount varies between rupees 900 to 1300 million per year for each IIT. Other sources of fund include students' fees and research funding from governmental agencies and the private industries. The availability of resources has translated into superior infrastructure and qualified faculty in the IIT and consequently higher competition among students to gain admission into the IITs. The various IITs function autonomously and their special status as institute of national importance facilitates the smooth running of IITs virtually free from both regional as well as student politics. IIT can create their own curricula and adapt rapidly to the changes in education requirement free from bureaucratic hurdles. The government has no direct control over internal policy decisions of IITs but has representation on the IIT Council. The academic policies, teaching, training, and research activity of each IIT are reviewed by its Senate to maintain the higher standard. The Senate comprises all professors of the institute and students' representatives. We follow the credit system of performance evaluation with proportional being weighting the course based on their importance. Relative grading is preferred by considering the overall performance of the class. All over IIT degree are respected largely due to the prestige created by very successful alumni. Achievement by the community Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri S.S. Bhatnagar, more than 10 in number. Reserve Bank of India Governor, Fellowship of Indian Academy of Engineering, Fellowship of Indian Academy of Science, Fellowship of National Academy of Science. Achievement by the alumni, Founder of Infosys, Director ISC Bangalore, Chief Secret Scientific Advisor, Prime Minister of India, These are all about IIT Kanpur alumni. I cannot cover all the IIT's top position in different industries throughout the world. Success story. Other factors contributing to the success of IIT are stringent faculty recruitment procedure and industry collaboration. This combination of success factors has led to the concept of IIT brand. IIT brand was reaffirmed when the United States House of Representatives passed a resolution honoring Indian American and especially graduates of IIT for their contribution to the American society. Similarly, China also recognized the value of IIT and has planned to replicate the model. IIT Kanpur is one of the premier institutions established in 1959 by the Government of India. The aim of the institute is to provide meaningful education, to conduct original research of the highest standard, and to provide leadership in technological innovation for the industrial growth of the country. The first director of the institute was Dr. P.K. Kelkar, after whom the Central Library was named in 2002. Under the guidance of eminent economist John Kenneth Galbraith, IIT Kanpur was the first institute in India to start computer science education. The institute now has its own residential campus spread over 420 hectares of land. Statistics. These are the some undergraduate, postgraduate, PhD faculty, research staff, supporting staff, alumni, board of governors. These are the person who's in the board of governor. Professor M. Anand Krishnan, Chairman. Professor Indranil Manna, Director. Sri Harsh Manglik, IIT Council nominee. Sri Irsad Mirza, IIT Council nominee. Dr. Arup Kumar Rai Chaudhary, IIT Council nominee. Professor E.D. Jamis, IIT Council nominee. Professor Ram Singh Nirjar, UP Government nominee. Professor Neeraj Mishra, Senate nominee. Professor Yasan Singh, Senate nominee. Dr. Rakesh Kumar Sachan, Secretary to Board of Governors, IIT Kanpur. Offices of Deans. Dean of Student Affairs is responsible for all facets of student life at the institute. Dean of Academic Affairs handles the entire work related to academic section. Dean of Faculty Affairs is responsible for recruitment and promotion of IITK faculty and scientist research staff. Dean of Resource Planning and Generation is responsible for alumni affairs, international relations, and resource mobilization. Dean of Research and Development is responsible for providing specialized administrative and managerial support for the operation of all research and development activities of the institute. These are the departments: Science Department having Chemistry, Physics, Mathematics, and Statistics; Engineering, Aerospace, Bioscience, Bioengineering, Chemical, Civil, Computer Science Engineering, Electrical, Industrial and Management Engineering, Mechanical, Material Science and Engineering, Humanities and Social Science, Interdisciplinary, Environmental Engineering and Management, Laser Technology, Master of Design, Material Science Program, Nuclear Engineering and Technology. Research Center, Center for Environmental Science and Engineering, Prabhu Goyal Research Center for Computer and Internet Security, National Information Center of Earthquake Engineering, Advanced Center for Material Science, ACMS. In this lab, you can perform all the characterization testing. DST unit on nanoscience, BSNL ITK Telecom Center of Excellence, Center for Mechatronics, Center for Laser Technology, Semtel Center for Display Technology, Advanced Center for Electronic System, Syndicate Bank Entrepreneurship Research and Training Center. Innovation and Incubation. The institute established SIDBI Innovation and Incubation Center to foster innovation, research, and entrepreneurial activities in technology-based areas. SIG provide a platform for startup by prospective entrepreneurs and intrapreneurs to convert their innovative idea into commercially viable products. SEC also provides services related to patenting and commercialization activities. For more detail, you can visit the link that provided. During the year 2011-12, 13 national patent to design patents were filed and 3 technologies were licensed for commercialization. Over the years, 140 Indians, 18 international and 5 design patents have been filed. Further, 21 technologies have been licensed and 16 patents were granted. Office of Research and Development. The focus is on basic research from micro to macro levels involving processes and products, providing leadership in energy technologies, communication system, materials and environmental engineering, enhancing collaborative research with academic institute and industry. It facilitates interaction with external agencies, both national and international. It provides a creative atmosphere in research and development activities of the institute. The institute funds initiation grants to new faculty members. Workshops on cutting-edge topics are held in the institute. Several memorandum of understanding with Indians as well as international academic research institutions and industries are signed to strengthen its collaborative research effort. Initiative by the office organized series of annual symposium to showcase the ongoing research on campus and promote interdisciplinary research and interaction among faculty members, students, and research staff of the institute. Under CARE scheme, research grant is provided for purchase of major research equipment in area of research where a long felt need exists or for new thrust area of research. Organized institute lecture on topic of general interest delivered distinguished personnel with outstanding achievement. The mission involves partnership with external agencies in development and marketing of technologies and products through technological transfer. Research output, doctoral and master's student publication, general monograph conferences, patent products. Unique facilities: National Wind Tunnel Facility, 6 rack real-time digital simulation, upcoming pseudo-dynamic engine research lab, focused ion beam system. Funding agencies: National Department of Science and Technology, DBT, DRDO Defense, AR&DB Aerospace, MNES Energy, MIT Information Technology, BRNS Nuclear, DOE Electronics, CSIR, ISRO Space Technology. Some of our current industrial partner: Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Unilever Industrial Private Limited, Boeing USA, Thermax Limited, Tata Steel Netherlands Technology, Samsung India Software Operation Private Limited, Procter and Gamble Company USA, GE India Technology Center Private Limited, Honda R&D Corporation Limited Japan, Intel Technology, Chevron USA, Pratt and Whitney Canada Corporation Canada. Student research Abhyas with Boeing. Undergraduate student design an unmanned ground vehicle that could successfully perform simple path planning and obstacle avoidance. Jugnu, India's first nanosatellite developed by students under guidance of faculty members at the institute and scientists from ISRO. Nerd, a campus magazine meant for providing students a platform to share the excitement of science and technology. Promotion of work experience and research student body aiming at promoting student idea, a culture of student lead technical project by providing work experience opportunities. A viewpoint: we would like to support interdisciplinary, interdepartmental, interinstitutional research projects, academic and other collaboration. Politecnico di Tornio, Italia, University of Waterloo, Canada, UT San Antonio, Texas, USA, California Institute of Technology, USA, National University of Singapore, Rice University, USA, Ecole Polytechnique France, University of Melbourne, Australia, University of Kansas, USA, Waseda University, Japan, University of Tokyo, Japan, Nanyang Technology Center, Singapore. International relations, a successful program of student exchange and academic cooperation with a group of German universities jointly with other IITs under the sponsorship of DOT. Under the sponsorship of DOT. Mission statement: IIT Kanpur would like to recognize as an international technological university by pursuing the following two-track approach. Continue to hold top ranking for undergraduate and postgraduate students education. Reach a status of Tier 1 research university on the world stage. These are the content. Thank you. I am going to tell you the more what you can do. What is the course and what is the lab? If you are selecting mechanical engineering, then which subject you have to learn in the IIT system. If you are the mechanical engineering student, then first year you have to study all the common subject like physics, chemistry, mathematics, and computer science, environmental engineering, and after first year, in second year you will study the subject like strength of material. In first year you will also study mechanics. And then in second year you will study strength of material, thermodynamic material science, and fluid mechanics. And in second year, fourth semester, you will study applied thermodynamics and manufacturing technology to manufacturing technology first, and fluid machinery and machine design. In third year, you will study manufacturing technology 2, theory of machine, heat transfer, and IC engine. And in sixth semester, you will study refrigeration and air conditioning, machine design 2, and machine design 2, theory of machine 2, and some interdisciplinary elective subject. In final year, you will study about computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, quality control, and last one is the power plant engineering. Operation research, additive manufacturing, and non-conventional energy resources are all the subjects you will learn in the final year. If you are going to MTech, then in mechanical engineering, different specialization: thermal engineering, design engineering, production engineering, and cryogenic engineering, polymer engineering. So you can pursue the MTech in these courses. Industrial design. These are the subjects you have to study. If you are selecting the production engineering in MTech, then you have to study the subject like production system and control, optimization, applied elasticity and plasticity, and the subject, the software like ANSYS, MATLAB. These are the things you have to study. That's all about.